boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have BoyWithUke here, a song called Nosedive. So he uses the uke here. I'm using a smaller size guitar, so I'm close, not there really, but yeah, boy with small guitar maybe. Anyway, cool song to learn, so let's start this one up. We have a capo set here on the 4th fret, alright? So with that, we have 4 chords that goes same way through the entire song. Nice and easy. We'll start with C. It's 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be E minor. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so the last thing we need to know is the strumming here. So let's go with C, that's the first chord. It will be like this. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, up, down, down, down. So the first 2 downs and then a short break. So, and then up, up, down, down. I'm gonna play 1 strumming around like this per chord, and it goes in the same way like I mentioned: C, D, G, and E minor. So that gives us and so on. And that pretty much covers Nosedive. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.